Meaning of evolutionist.
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 Evolutionist. An evolutionist is someone who believes in the theory of evolution, which proposes that over time, species of plants, animals, and other organisms undergo changes through natural selection and genetic mutations. This process results in the development of new species over long periods of time. The theory of evolution is supported by a significant amount of scientific evidence and is widely accepted among the scientific community. However, it continues to face criticism and controversy from those who adhere to religious or creationist beliefs.